Hi and welcome to Python tutorial of how to print a hard copy using Python itself. This has been a request from my viewers out there, and I'm going to start by importing the following operating system. Then I'm going to also import temporary files, temp files. There we go. It's going to be a very short program. Let's say file name equals tempfile, and that is how short the program is going to be. .mktemp. There we go. That is it right there. And in that case, mktemp depend on the application I will want Python to actually print from. So let's assume I want it to print from something like a text file, like Notepad. So I'll just enter the file extension. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to open that very file extension. So let's say open file, actually open file name, paste that there, comma, and I would like you to also write into it and close that. Then what I would then do is I would then ask you to write out the following. Let's say dot write, and whatever I want to write, you just need to enter that in this bracket here. So let's say how to print, let's say how to print hard copy or copies in Python. There, that is what I want my system to print. Okay, so I would then say operating system dot starts, that will be start file, this very one there, and the file that I want you to start is this very file here, whatever file name it is. Paste that in there, and let's just say comma print there, and close that. And that's all there is to it. You may not believe it. That is it, guys. That's how to write the print function in Python. I'm going to now save that, save as. Okay, maybe I'll save it right here. I'm going to call it second, because I have been practicing with it for quite a while. Okay, let's run it, but before then let me just show this to you. See right there, there is an error. That would have given us an error. The one we need is mktemp. So let's run this program now so that you guys see what I'm talking about. And there we go. You see that it's going to say the server is not available. You see that the server is not available on my system, and the system works as you guys expected, or as I expected anyway. It works fine. The other thing you guys can do is you can change the file extension here. Instead of a text file, you can change that to a doc file. And let's run. You have to save it first though. And there, let's see. There we go. And there we go. It's processing. There, you see that? Still the same thing. Printer not attached. Okay, so with that I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.